Yo, what is going on, guys? Stocks here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel if you're new. Now, in the past, I've said I'm voting yes for the conversion and the reverse split. And I've been doing some digging, and I'm kind of stuck here. So I really do need your help in the comments down below. A lot of people have been wanting me to cover this, and I've sat on it for a little bit. I posted it on my YouTube. And the only reason I sat on it is because there's a lot of FUD going around, and I just wanted to confirm that these were facts. Without further ado, just hit the like, stay till the end of the video. If you want to, subscribe to the channel. We are almost at 10K, so thank you guys so much for the support. Let's get into it. So like I said, I do like to fact check everything that I put out to you guys. Al from Boston posted this. Inside job at CEO Adam Aron, 8 quadrillion shares. AMC Ape, AMC director Philip Lader's daughter Mary Catherine is the CEO of Uniswap. Uniswap is the company FTX and Citadel used to tokenize, share, and destroy shareholder value, and his son Jeremy Aron is on the take as well. Now, I did fact check this, and sadly, it is true. You can see her profile over here on LinkedIn, Chief Operating Officer on Uniswap Labs, team member, Council on Foreign Relations, and is tied to BlackRock. Now, what makes this even worse is that this was June of 2021. When you had the run-up all the way to $70, when you had these tokens issued. Speaking of the ties to BlackRock, BlackRock Securities Lending. While not without risk, securities lending seeks to benefit the fund. BlackRock has focused on delivering competitive returns while balancing return, risk, and cost in its 4 decades of lending securities on behalf of shareholders. Since 1981, BlackRock has delivered positive monthly lending income for every fund that has participated in securities lending, including mutual funds. The most recent buys, literally majority of these are BlackRock, whether it's through ETFs or not. So you can tell that the shares that short sellers are getting are just being lent out by institutions such as BlackRock. And the conflict of interest deepens, and it goes even further, as if you come over here, I just found a new coin. It's called HODL, H-O-D-L. This was issued the same time, May of 2021, when you had that run up to $70, and it just goes on further and further. I wanted to touch on Adam Aron's tweets. He just started tweeting, and it's interesting that he started tweeting, and it makes me think that he saw what Al from Boston posted, and the reason for that is Al from Boston posted this on December 31st, and Adam Aron tweeted a day later, January 1st. He goes, "Some of you misguidingly protest against dilution when industry demand is off a whopping 35%. Companies that do not raise fresh capital run out of cash and go broke. Cineworld/Regal in bankruptcy court right now, not us. We know what we're doing. Looking out for your interests." Now, Adam Aron, sure, maybe he has done some stuff to turn the company away from bankruptcy, actually a few times, almost 4 times now, while other companies such as Cineworld or Regal are in bankruptcy court. But that does not decipher the fact that shareholders actually did save the company, and he would have went bankrupt if it wasn't for us when the stock was at $1.91. Not only that, but he started bragging about he owned shares. This was January 2nd. He goes, "Some of you also forget that I currently own or vest in about 3 million AMC shares and 3 million Ape preferred units. That is enormous incentive to do what is best for all AMC shareholders. I work in the best interests of AMC shareholders because I am one, a big one." But if you come over here, Adam Aron really hasn't bought since 2017, right? Since September 14th of 2017. And you know, that correlates to the charts, but we'll talk about that either later in the video or in a different video, depending on how long this takes, which is interesting to pay attention to. He goes, "Lastly, I've been AMC CEO for 7 years. About 2/3 of my total pay is in stock, not cash. Well publicized in advance. I sold shares only once in those 7 years, a 65-day span, November 22nd to January 2022. My stock sales has ended a year ago. I will not sell any more anytime soon, and I ride with you." This leads me into the next thing. In the most recent article, right, where AMC raised this capital and they said that we're going to have a shareholder meeting on a reverse split, yada yada yada, Aron concluded, "All should know that our liquidity position is now significantly enhanced and our balance sheet is strengthened. We look forward to growing a industry box office in 2023 and beyond. Also look forward to AMC continuing to benefit from our unique leadership position in the movie theater industry." This leads me to say, okay, well, Adam Aron goes, you know, Ape is on a significant discount. That's fine. It should be converted back over for the shareholders. He says it right here. Clearly, the existence of apes has been achieving exactly their intended purposes. They have let AMC raise much welcome cash, reduce debt, and in so doing deleverage our balance sheet and allows us to explore possible M&A activity. However, given the consistent trading discount that we are routinely seeing in the price of APE units compared to AMC common shares, we believe that it is in the best interest of our shareholders for us to simplify our capital structure, thereby eliminating the discount that has been applied to the APE units in the market. Eliminating the discount isn't reverse splitting. Eliminating the discount is converting it back to AMC. So pretty much we denied dilution, he diluted, and that's it, right? We bring it back to AMC. He goes, it does exactly what it's intended to. It diluted, it raised capital for us, boom. Conversion, yes. I'm still voting yes on the conversion either way because shorts have to force close positions on APE. And not only that, APE is just, it's going to go bye-bye if it does not convert to AMC. However, the reverse split, it's making me think a lot. And the reason it's making me think a lot is because the cost of borrow fee is going up, sure, but that always happens. It goes up and then it drops again. More shares are being lent out. It's being shorted into the floor. And I'm kind of stuck in the middle, right? You vote yes. AMC gets a rally, potentially force close in synthetics, which I'm still leaning towards yes. You vote no, and AMC can just be in this recycled loop that it's been in since $70. But the timing is what gets me. The timing of this, the timing of Adam Aaron, the timing of shares being purchased by BlackRock, right? And these ETFs, the timing is very odd, and it's definitely very off and something to pay attention to. But let's move on to the Ortex numbers. 21.42% short interest on AMC. Cost of borrow average 263% and the max 268. So the longer Adam Aaron waits for this meeting, that's fine with me. These short sellers are paying a high amount to borrow these shares against AMC. 300,000 shares available to borrow on AMC according to Stock Tracker at a 120% fee, with the options chain kind of sitting even. GameStop, 10,000 shares available to borrow at a 23% fee. Finally, before we get into the charts, in Bankman fraud, asked judge to keep his bail guarantors secret. Lawyers argued no need for public disclosure of names, and Bankman plans to plead not guilty in New York court on Tuesday. Evergrande delayed releasing the restructuring plan again, and shop closures in the UK hit the highest total in 5 years. The UK budget deficit is also soared. In November, existing home sales fell for a 10th straight month, the longest streak in National Association of Realtors data that goes back to 1999, and Tesla just hit an all-time low, a multi-year low again. Are you guys buying Tesla? Now guys, something that is going to affect the market is we have the FOMC minutes taking place tomorrow, January 4th, which is ultimately going to affect the S&P 500. You guys can see that we are trading in this falling channel right here, and essentially I'm waiting for a break one way or the other. It's kind of hugging this level at 382/383. If we start to break below this channel, I'm watching 352 for the next zone on the S&P 500. As for back here, September 14th of 2017, the last time Adam Aaron bought, all I did was copy and paste the cycles from when he bought from the cycle time frames that I had layered out already. And it actually brings us to a very similar situation on how the chart is trading right now. With that being said, I do see that 318 gap fill being fulfilled on AMC. So I'm watching that level before any sort of significant bounce. Ultimately, guys, this is what I got for you for today's video. Make sure to get up to 15 free stocks and a chance to win $60,000 by just downloading Movement on your phone or computer using my link in the top comments or in the description down below and depositing even a penny into your account. You will get these benefits. It's free. Go do it for me. Go do it for yourself. It is a new year. Open up a new platform that is a very powerful free platform and keeps your money FDIC insured. I love you all. Lottery Stocks out.